I think my favourite part of NISC really is that opportunity to just bring people together. Too much of our lives now is transactional. You know, we go on a call, we have a transactional conversation, and it's done. The great thing about NISC is this is in person, it's a 2-3 day event. You actually have time to have a conversation, to breathe out.
I really enjoyed the AI talk this morning. That was really interesting. There was quite a lot in it about how AI is impacting the workplace and the different considerations you have to make.
Been to a really interesting talk from Amber Wolf about whether teenagers are scarier than government actors in the cybersecurity space.
You're speaking face-to-face with the experts about specific problems like ransomware, remediation, resilience, finding out how to better defend your organization and make sure that it maintains its continuity should the worst happen.
I go to an awful lot of conferences each year, big and small, supplier and vendor, and this is fairly unique. It bridges the gap between them all.
We've seen people from lots of different industries, people from like local government, your typical councils, NHS trusts and other people like that, and they're all coming with similar challenges.
It's a very open, intimate crowd that has been able to share transparently about some of the challenges, some of the pain points that we can therefore help them to solve much more intimately.
There are vendors here, there are end users here, and I might also add that everybody seems genuinely happy to be here, which is also quite unique.
I feel like it's been a lot more interactive, actually. A couple of the ones that we've been to before, it's more about selling rather than actually educating people, so it's been nice to have one where you're getting that educational piece.
I think the thing that makes NISC such a unique event is the opportunity to network with other peers from across all sorts of organisations and being able to share knowledge of things that are usually behind closed doors.
It isn't just a big sales pitch. It's more about peers, it's more about the market and the industry, it's more about learning. And yes, you can take and listen to some of the great vendors, take that technicality and add it, but it's just such balanced, and that's why I think it's unique. There's nothing else like it in the market.
I have to say, this is the first time I've been here and it's phenomenal. I've met so many new customers, really engaging conversations and a lot of interest really. I think cyber's definitely the place to be right now.
You know, we're all here trying to ultimately achieve the same thing really, which is a much more secure way of connecting and ensuring that we've got a way of working with each other that's secure and resilient.
It's a terrific place to see some familiar faces, but also to gain some new knowledge. Every time I go here, I learn something new.
It's a really nice environment. It's really well put together. The speakers are always interesting. The attendees and the delegates are always really friendly and open and willing to share. And if you're thinking of come, it's brilliant. It's absolutely worth the time.
If it runs again and I get an invite, I'll be coming back.